Hello and welcome to another update video here on the dot chart. Polkadot remains in a sideways range. Only want to talk about the short-term chart here briefly. The daily chart was covered yesterday. We're dealing here currently with a potential short-term upside reversal. Obviously, the June low marked a completely new low, really. I mean, not a new all-time low, but a range low. And so the structure is super fragile, the pressure is downward, a lot of work is needed to get this thing back into an uptrend, but the nearest support area here is between $3.31 and $3.75. There is a scenario that could take the price higher. However, as I said, the $3.30 level needs to hold. Any break below would really be problematic from a bullish perspective. I can see this here as a wave 1 up and then an A, B, C structure to the downside in wave 2. But yeah, as I said, 330 is key support. The next support levels start at 375 and 356 is one as well. And what we can do in addition is, if we really see this as a 1-2 pattern, which is obviously speculative, but then we have an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and that C wave down might probably form another low. We can double check that by taking the length or measuring the length of the A wave with the Fibonacci extension tool. Then we go to the high of the B wave, and an ideal target for the C wave would be the 100% extension. So we might get one more low to 356. That would be ideal also from a target point of view or C wave target point of view based on the intra or internal structures. So it seems like even here one more low is likely, and then 356 is sort of an area look where a couple of levels overlap, the 100% extension and the 61.8 retracement. The next larger resistance area is obviously here where that green line is located. This marks the previous swing highs from February, and then also here the swing high from May. So there is likely going to be some resistance in that area. For now, DOT is doing what DOT likes to do, which is kind of ranging. But as I said, after one more low, we have a completed so-called expanded flat correction where we have a 3-wave move down in A, a 3-wave move up in B, and then a micro 5-wave move down in C. That is at least a completed Elliott wave pattern, so watch for a reaction there. That's the update on DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and so on. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.